In program.
Hello, 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 everybody. Today we're going to go over Proverbs 6:16. And these are the things that God hates. So these are the things that we should try to avoid. There are 6 things that God hates, 7 that are detestable to him: haughty eyes, a lying tongue, hands that shed innocent blood, a heart that devises wicked schemes, feet that are quick to rush into evil, a false witness who pours out lies, and a person who stirs up conflict in the community. So these are the things that we gotta be careful about. The next thing is a warning against adultery. My son, keep your father's commands and do not forsake your mother's teaching. Bind them always on your heart. Fasten them around your neck. When you walk, they will guide you. When you sleep, they will watch over you. When you wake, they will speak to you. For this command is a lamp. This teaching is a light, and correction and instructions are the way to life, keeping you from your neighbor's wife, from the smooth talk of a wayward woman. Do not lust in your heart after her beauty, or let her captivate you with her eyes. For a prostitute could be had for a loaf of bread, but another man's wife preys on your very life. Can a man scoop up fire into his lap without his clothes being burnt? Can a man walk on hot coals without his feet being scalded? So is he who sleeps with another man's wife. No one who touches her will go unpunished. People do not despise a thief if he steals to satisfy his hunger when he is starving. Yet if he is caught, he must pay sevenfold, though it cost him all the wealth of his house. But a man who commits adultery has no sense. Whoever does so destroys himself. Blows and disgrace are his lot, and his shame will never be wiped away. For jealousy arouses a husband's fury, and he will show no mercy when he takes revenge. He will not accept any compensation. He will refuse a bribe, however great it is. So these are the things that God wants us to avoid and be careful about. And here we are. So everybody, let's breathe in deep. Make sure everybody has their water. Make sure you get at least that 2 cups of water. And let's get right to this trading. All right. The US government is still in shutdown, so it's coming out pretty soon. We got a lot of speaking. GBP USD. USD is pretty strong today. The strongest one is GBP USD. Yeah, GBP is pretty weak. It's losing everywhere. GBP USD. GBP USD is the strongest right here. Let's look at GBP USD. And we're looking at this to sell it. GBP USD. USD. All right, let's grab GBP USD. GBP USD. And we're selling it. All right, we're going to do a 2% and a 3%. Gold is still going up. US 30 went up so much yesterday. It was crazy. US 30, I'm just looking at if there's any trade setups for the bot just called out or anything. Apple. It was very bullish yesterday. Everything was green except for Nvidia. That's all I wanted, about $300 out of that. GBP USD. Done with that trade. Those little Forex trades are little quick trades. US 30 to sell. That was at 445, so that's not really relevant anymore. 511 USD CAD. See some stocks yesterday. We had some stock trades. Matter to buy. All right, we gotta wait for one of these trades to come in. Does anybody have any questions? Anybody have any questions? Go ahead and unmute yourself. It's 6:11. Let's see if there's any other trade that we can look at. GBP JPY might be a good trade. Let's see this shutdown news. Longest government shutdown in history could be over today, 43 days. Okay, so this sounds like the government's coming out of shutdown. Said the Democrats didn't get what they wanted. USD is getting stronger. Let's look at USD JPY. Caps
Oh,
going up. It's kind of looking like it's at the top, like right here where it's going to fall a little bit and then go back up. So that's not really a good position. All right. Let's get out of Forex. Look at gold. Gold's been stuck right here for a couple days. I like to buy gold at this the purple. Let's see what happens in this opening bell to this one. Just looking over the major stocks. Let's see if we got any trade signal. So what we do is we go back, Telegram first to check if there's any trades. Right here, there's a trade, GBP USD. Look at what trade did I take? GBP USD to sell. And then look what the bot called out. We already won money on that. That's a trip. Out of all the trades it can take, it hasn't took a trade since 511. And it took the same trade that we already took, GBP USD to sell. I find that amazing. And we already won off that trade. It's still going down too. That was a good trade. This has been stuck right here. You see like a resistance right here. Every time it hits here, it comes down on the US 30. Yesterday, it just boomed up. Boom. All right, we're just waiting for this bot to call something out, or we're waiting for another trade I like is USD JPY. Let's see. Let's look at that one more time. And I'm liking this to go up. It's kind of dead right now. They told us to buy down here at 4 o'clock. Man, that's a good one. Look at this trade. Wow.
Lonnie, I have an issue.
Yes.
Do you know why the Beach Trader bots are not displaying on my trading view when I
You
go to
just have
them?
to hit refresh sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell me if that works out.
There's two exclamation marks, access error, next to each one.
Okay. Let me look. It might be something on let me look at my phone. I can see the back office. Okay, is yours back on? Did you refresh?
Let me check. Uh, yes.
Okay, beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Let's see what time is it. It's about 5 more minutes of the market. See if there's any new signals in. No new signals. I like gold to buy again. Gold looks like it's gonna break out and go up. Gold for the buy. And on here, all the technicals are saying strong buy, neutral on oscillators. Let's see in the short time. Buy. Yeah, everything is buy on gold. I like gold. Just kind of looks stuck on the 4 hours, but I'm gonna get in a gold, but I'm gonna get in a gold on a long buy. So XAU USD to buy. Okay, my lot's already lowered. I might even lower them even more. Okay, so we start out in gold 190 down. All right. I like US 30 going up. It's already way up here. I want to catch it by this purple line. After the opening bell, I would probably want to catch it like even further, like down here somewhere. I see like a little support right here from here. 3, 4, all these are hitting right here and going back up. The opening bell is going to make it move. Let's see what the opening bell yesterday did. The opening bell launched it right here and it went straight up. But as you see, it went up, it went back down, it went up, it went all the way back down. Then it took off on this one around 7:15. What I'm kind of looking at is it going down. It might just go up because that's what I want to trade. I want to go up, but I feel like it might go down first before it goes up. So if I can get it in between this purple line and the green line, that'd be great. The further to this green line, even a little bit further than the green line is great. Everything is saying that gold's going up. You see it's 100% uptrend on the 15-minute time frame. On the 4 hours, it's 100% uptrend. On the 1 day, it's 71% uptrend. So everything is saying this should be going up. And so we're really just trying to catch it bouncing down first and then grab it going up. Yeah, gold looks like a good trade to go up. It's so high, but it hasn't, it's been higher. Yeah, see, it was just right here a second ago. 4,350. And right now it's at like 4,100. And that's his all-time high. So it kind of breathed and then it started going back up little by little. Now we're in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're in 5 days in a row for it being going up. All right, let's see. We have 1 minute. Let's look at this US 30 and see what it's going to do. It's been stuck right here. We got 14 seconds. Let's see what happens here. I wanted to get down here somewhere and take the trade. All right, here it is, a new candle. Went straight up. That's what we had. We knew it was going up, but we wanted it to go down first. I only moved 40 so far. It's not really moving. Gold looks like it's going up, trying to at least. Wow, Nas shot straight down. Why is that? Nas and SPX 500 are shooting straight down. US 30 shooting straight up. Let's look. Try to find out why that's happening. Yeah, I would say that Nasdaq looks like it should be going up. All these green. Yeah, US 30, it looks like it should be going up. Really looks green, green, green. Let's see, how much is this? Oh, that's a good one, 130 something to go straight up. We can't get in that to go down. We don't want to reverse our trading. Let's do the USDJPY. It's still going up. And then we looking at GBP USD to go down. I think we got in like right here. So we're further down. And here we go with the gold trade. Gold looks like it should be going up. Let's see if it changed right here. No, it's still a strong buy. Right here on the 5 minutes, it's saying sell. So that might just be a little bit of a breathing pattern. And then it's saying smooth sells ahead to buy. Wow. This US 30 really took off. It's only been going 5 minutes since already went 190. Way up. So you don't want to try to trade this going down because like yesterday, it just kept on moving up. I doubt like yesterday right here it went up and then it came all the way back down. This might not do that. This might just keep on going up. It might, 15 minutes, it might break off and keep on going. See, did we get any trades here? We got a Forex trade. USD CAD to sell. And then we got USD CAD right here to buy. So I don't want to even touch that one. It's a higher time frame, 30 minutes. Let's look over USD CAD. And it's saying to sell. USD CAD to sell. That looks pretty good. It's at the resistance right now. USD CAD to sell. CAD, USD. It's almost the same thing. Yeah, it's almost the same strength. I don't really want to take that trade. But what looks like could happen is it's hitting the resistance. It could fall back down here. We've seen this resistance been since yesterday, 11. You can run this all the way over here. Yeah, I kind of like this trade. USD CAD. I think I'm gonna avoid it though. Let's look at gold. Gold, the one we took, is starting to take off for us. Got $1,000. Yeah, this is like at the top of that resistance. This is where I wanted to kind of get out at. Beautiful. I like to get out right here because there was a lot of resistance right here. It might keep on going up, but it's okay. We got what we wanted. This US 30 is going up crazy. 270. Wow. And this looks like it's just as long, but it's not. It's like just 100. 92. That's it. I don't see any other trades except for the ones that we took. Let's look through one more time. US 30. The market's been very consolidated. When the market's consolidated, then the bot doesn't call out so many trades. And as we see almost everywhere, it's just one big candle and everything is like consolidation before it. I would like gold again if it went underneath this line. See how it went underneath this line and shot right back up? And it did that a couple times over here. You see it right here. Ever since over here, it hits this line, it just shoots back up. I like gold to go up. But I think that's about it. Gold, and we hit the other one. Let's see what CAD is doing. USD CAD. And it told us to sell. This is the sell right here. And it did exactly what it was saying it was going to do. It went down. All right, you guys. God bless you guys. Have a good day. We got 2 trades in, 1, 2. And we'll be back tomorrow. Same time, same bat channel. All right, you guys. God bless. Bye-bye.